Third quarter na, 6 minutes and tagduwa ang timeout each team. Mr. Villegas to Mr. Pitos. He passes to Suarez. 15 seconds to shoot Mr. Suarez to Mr. Suarez. Touch cut for two. It's a no with nakuha. Nakuha ni Mr. MRG. Numero 19. He passes to Mr. M. Numero 3. 50 seconds to shoot. To Kaingin. At for 3. Nasurahan nakuha ni Mr. Villegas to Mr. Suarez. Suarez again. There's a call. Number 3, first personal foul, first team foul, Mr. MRE. Mr. Suarez F, numero 25, on the free throw line. Moving. One point and Mr. Suarez. 5 minutes 20 seconds, Mr. MR, numero 3. To Mr. W.
Yeah.
15 seconds to shoot,
Yeah.
Mr. MRG, and then for 2, it's all out of one answer. Hanging
Dodo.
on second, Mr. Suarez to Mr. Mayor, 2 points.
Narito.
Mr. MR, di pa sa gawa sa number 3, wala na kuha ni Mr. Suarez in 4 minutes 55 seconds, Maynard. There's a score! There's a call. Number 19, Mr. MRG. First personal foul, second team foul, Mr. MRG, numero 19. 4 minutes 52 seconds, Mr. Suarez, Maynard, numero 1 on the free throw line, and it's a 1 point. Another puntos by Mr. Maynard Suarez. $33, 31, down to 2 again. Nakuha Mr. Suarez to Maynard once again. Time out ang team. 4 minutes, 40 seconds. 4 minutes, 40 seconds, and we have tied 33 all. Once again, it's 4 minutes, 40 seconds. Once again, it's 4 minutes, 40 seconds. Mr. Emory, numero 3. Dribble the ball, trying to go over there. 15 seconds to shoot, Mr. Alvarez. A terrible ball na po na Mr. Alvarez. And there's a... 22. Warning, 4 foul out and warning, 14 penalty, Mr. Numero 22. In 4 minutes 24 seconds, Mr. Alvarez attempt again. Ito naman na ni Mr. Naga. Naga Guerrero, and then sa last charge. 21 second shot clock. Kadit lang. Mr. MR, attempt for 3. It's a noble. Nakuha na ko ni Mr. Lincasting. Nalala na naman ni Mr. Lavares. Mr. Lavares to Mr. Nagak. Mr. Nagak to MR. 50 seconds to shoot. Mr. MR to Mr. Nagak.
Nice one!
third quarter. Mr. Suarez to Mr. Miner Suarez. 15 seconds to shoot. Mr. Villegas. Mr. Villegas. Give it a shoot. Wala na Mr. Villegas. Ito Mr. Lava. Number 2. Mr. Emma. Mr. Emma gawin na bola. Mr. Manang Tumutabo ko na gawin na ng bola. 15 seconds to shoot. To Mr. Suarez to Mr. Emma. Wala. Give na shoot. To Mr. Pitos to Suarez. Pass back to Mr. Lord. To Mr. Amber. To Emma. In 3 minutes on the clock. Naga. 15 seconds to shoot. Emma. 10 seconds to shoot. MR.
Uy, gawa so! Oh! Ay!
Nakuha ni Mr. Suarez. Suarez. 2 minutes 34 seconds.
Ay!
Number 25, Mr. Francis. First personal foul. First team foul. It's like for 10 minutes.
Ay!
2 minutes 25 seconds, Mr. Navarez.
Shot clock daw.
15 seconds to shoot. Nakasama to Mr. Suarez Patrick. Dribbling the ball. Give pasa kay Mr. Francis Patrick. To Patrick.
Nice one!
Numero 22. 2 minutes. Oh my God. 15 seconds to shoot. Mr. Amor. Give pasa kay Mr. Emper. To Mr. Navarez. 10 seconds to shoot. Mr. Navarez. There's the foul. Substitution. Number 25, once again, Mr. Francis Suarez, second personal foul, second
Sub daw,
team.
sub. Sub.
Substitution ref. Mr. Dogon in. 1 minute 50 seconds. 1 minute 50 seconds. Emma. Attempt for 3. It's a short. Nakuha ni Mr. Lee Caspi. 1 minute 40 seconds. Fifty seconds to shoot. Maynard trying to turn. Wala na si Jordan.
Nice one!
1 minute 25 seconds. Nagan pa Mr. Ramon. Mr. Naga. 15 seconds to shoot, Mr. Naga. No, good shot ni Mr. Upper. 1 minute 15 seconds. Mr. Suarez, numero 22. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 1 minute on the clock. Good. 5 seconds to shoot.
Nice!
Suarez. 50 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 40 seconds. Good. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. Time out the team. Eljas, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. We are 45, 37. Walo ang lamang ng team. NHA saves. NHA saves ng walo. 30 seconds. Once again, 30 seconds. Once again, we have 30 seconds. And this is our third quarter. Walo ang lamang ng team.
Sabi
25. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds.
Hey! Foul.
Titos, team. First personal foul, 13 foul, 13 seconds. 13 seconds. 10. 7.
Time daw.
7.
7.
Sige po, pangaki. 7. 5. 4.
It's sana.